Hi everybody, it's Sally from Sally Stampers. Thank you for joining me today. It's here! My paper pumpkin is here. I'm so excited. All I've done is literally just broke the seal here on the bottom so I could open it and show you, but I wanted to save it. I wanted to open it and share it with you guys. It is a limited time offer and it's a one-off. Obviously our lovely demonstrators in the USA have this every month and it's amazing. Excuse me. And we have been waiting so long for it to come along our way, and Shelley, bless her, has given us one just for us in the UK. Isn't it just amazing? So let's have a look what we've got inside. It's so exciting. So I've got a lovely little early espresso ink spot, stamping spot. These are fabulous if you are new to stamping and you don't want to buy a whole ink pad. These are perfect. They're exactly the same ink, exactly the same stamp and every stamping bit. They are just fantastic. A beautiful stamp set. Let me just grab some Whisper White. A bit of Whisper White here. And then you can see, so we've got thank you, hugs, for you and love, grateful, hello dear friend, a couple of birds, some flowers, and oh, isn't that just lovely? Oh, that is just so nice. Can't wait to play with this. And then what have we got in here? Beautiful tissue paper, almost not far off petal pink. And then, oh, I can't get it out. And then in the bottom, I think that's it. Yes, just an empty box. So let's just move this out of the way. You have your beautiful kit. Hugs from Shelley instructions. Makes 12 note cards with envelopes. Oh, isn't it just gorgeous? And it's even got, look, May 2019. And all the bits. So shall we get inside and have a look? Oh, this is just so much fun. So as we can see, we have some beautiful ribbon that looks very much like the new Pretty Peacock to me. But I'm jumping ahead because I'm so excited. So let's just get this out. So that's the cellophane. And then here's my instructions. So let's have a little look. So as it is with most card kits, so you get instructions of how to build the cards up. Does it say on the back? Your kit includes, yes, so you get the photopolymer stamp set, the early espresso ink spot, 12 card bases and envelopes. So these are the gorgeous envelopes that have those feathers and flowers on here that we've got similar onto this. And then obviously we have, I'll put those bits out, some card bases here that are absolutely stunning. Oh, itchy nose again, because I've just been outside getting the washing in. Oh yeah, oh crikey, there's more designs than I realised here. Oh, there we go. So we have card bases. Oh, how pretty are those? Beautiful card bases. So as we said, note card size, card bases and envelopes. Then we have a printed sheet of die cut elements. Two sheets. Those are pretty. See how shiny they are as well. And then we have 2 sheets of die cut elements and a sheet of vellum elements, which are these, as you can see. And then we have, oh crumbs, okay, so yes, we have some velvet ribbon. It doesn't say it's Pretty Peacock, but yes, Pretty Peacock velvet ribbon. Pink thread. And I don't know, doesn't say what this one is. So some more thread there, some dimensionals, adhesive dots and some bird trinkets. And this coordinates with the Bird Ballad suite as well that we have in the new catalogue. Look at those, aren't they gorgeous? So, so cute. You see them, and if I put them actually in relation to a full-size dimensional, it'll give you an idea of the size of them. There you go. So they are pretty much the size of a dimensional to a degree. Isn't that just gorgeous? Okay, shall we make a card up? Yeah, why not? Let's have a go, because, you know, if you don't get this kit, you're missing out. So let's just show you how quick and easy it is to make up a card. So let's go for, I'm going to go with this one because I love this one. So I need this card base, hoping if I leave it there you can still see. So I've got this card base. I need one of these die cut labels, the foil one. Now you will notice it's very similar with some of these ones that you can buy from your local stores, the little die cuts. And if I hold it over the red there, can you see there just that little bit where it's pulled off the main piece? You can either use a nail file just to smooth that edge off, or like me, I just run my scissors along the edge just to take that little bit off. Okay, so then I need some flowers. So we have one of these ones, and then a single one. And this is just me showing you how easy it is. So all you need to add is a block, a clear block. That's all you need. So this one is Hugs for You. So we need hugs. It's probably a bit too big a block, that one actually. I'm going to go with my, ooh, can't even see that, B block. So hugs, and I always have two because that's just how I am. And then For You. And then I have my little espresso spot here, which I'm just going to use my scissors just to run along. Do this carefully as well because these snips are sharp. But it just sliced the join there so that I can open this out. Beautiful, beautiful ink spot there. So we're going with Hugs, and like I said, you use this exactly the same way as you would a full-sized stamping block. So we're going with Hugs, and then exactly the same For You. Underneath, that's really pretty. So then I'm just going to put the lid back on that. So I just need some of my glue spots here to put on my flowers. This is a little bit tricky actually. Confused. Okay, so take the backing off. The one, pop your flower on. And peel it off. You just see, wait, just getting to focus there. Look, you can just see that little dot on there. So I'm just going to pop that one flower on there, and then I'm going to use a couple for this one. So one glue dot there. These are a little bit fiddly, but if you have your own glue dots, obviously just use those. I just wanted to show you how easy these are to make up. And that's just going to sit over the edge there. And then I want my dimensionals. So I'm just going to pop these on the back. These cards are just stunning. I mean, what are we on now? 9 minutes, and I've just already opened the kit, showed you everything, waffled a little as I do, and then I've made a card already just by fiddling and faffing about, and that just sits just on there. And in fact, I have just realised a tiny bit I've missed. I don't know if you can see, there are some like ink spots around the bottom that they've added using this grungy image here, but I've not obviously added those on. But that's it. that's my note card, bone folder. That's my note card made up. How simple was that? And that's how good these card kits are. Everything is there. You just generally need to buy, some kits you need to buy adhesive, but generally all you need is a block, a clear block, and the kit, and you can create cards. They're just stunning. I absolutely love them. And like I said, it's a beautiful paper pumpkin kit. It's only available for a short time, so if you do want one, get in contact with me today, or your local demonstrator, and get them to let you know the code and everything, because although this is the code for the UK, which is 150924, it will be different for France and Germany, and I suspect the Netherlands. Only you guys will know from the language that's on the back, but just amazing. I absolutely love it. There is a YouTube video as well from Stampin' Up for this. But yeah, just amazing. And I'm just going to go away now and have fun and play with these cards and create some beautiful cards. Hope you like it. Don't forget to get your order in soon, because once they're gone, they're gone. They are limited. They are not bringing them back. They are not bringing refills. This is it. One chance saloon. So if you want one, get one. Just contact me today and we can get one ordered for you. Hope you like them. Hope it's inspired you. And I hope you fall in love with it all. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye.